Sunday dinner. There's just something about Sunday dinner that makes it the best meal of the week. Maybe it's the steaming bowls of mashed potatoes and thick brown gravy. Maybe it's the tasty, tender chicken, fried up golden brown. Whatever it is, Sunday dinner is it, the best meal of the week. Only one little problem. Ever try taking you places? Like church socials, parties, or ball games? Announcing the portable Sunday dinner by Colonel Sanders. He cooks up Kentucky Fried Chicken in his kitchen, then packs it up in his handy bucket. All you do is pick it up. Imagine, the best meal of the week travels everywhere, every day of the week. Okay, Colonel, hit the road.
Enjoy the best of both worlds with the Colonel's 13-piece combination of delicious original recipe and crispy, hot and spicy. The Colonel's 2-in-1 pack. 13 pieces, any combination for $14.95.
Been making my chunky chicken pot pie. It's back at KFC. Flaky crust, chunks of chicken, loads of veggies, just $3.99 with a drink. Now that's some meal. So come on in and bring your appetite.
Howdy, folks. This is me, Colonel Sanders. For $5, you can fill up your car with gasoline, or you can fill up yourself with my $5 fill-up with finger-licking good sauce. It's tender, it's juicy, it's delicious. 3 chicken tenders, taters, and gravy. I throw in a biscuit and a big old cookie. My $5 fill-up will fill you up, guaranteed. Isn't that right, Philip? It's still finger-licking good.
Just listen now. My KFC Crispy Colonel sandwich is telling you it's delicious. In sandwich. KFC, it's finger looking good.